Okay, we're in Microsoft Excel and we're going to look at 5 different ways of converting text values to numeric values. So you're likely to come across this problem if you've imported data from another system. You can see all the numbers here are on the left of the cells, which means that they are text values. Now the first method is going to utilize this background checking feature in Excel. You can see the green warning arrows there. So if we select all of those cells, we can see a little warning button here. If we click on it and then select convert to number, the values move to the right of the cells, which means they are now stored as numbers. Okay, second method, text to columns. So to use this, just select all of the cells, go to the Data tab on your ribbon. In the Data Tools group, click on this button, text to columns, and then just click on Finish. Third method, value function. So there is a function in Excel that will convert text to numbers. And as I said, it's called value. All I need to do is select the cell that I want to convert to a number, close the bracket, press enter, and there we have it. And then I can copy that formula down. Fourth method, paste special. So what I've got is a 0 in this cell down here. I'm going to copy it, so Control C. Then I'm going to select all the cells that contain text values. Then I'm going to go to paste special. So I can just right click, paste special, and then I'm going to add. That's under operation. Click on OK, and all the values are converted to numeric values. Now in a similar vein, we can also add 0 to these values in a formula. So we could just say that value there plus 0. It converts it to a number, copy the formula down, and we're done.